but I mean, UK are doing pretty good in regards to not making a fool of themselves, aren't they?
All need to love each other. Hello and welcome back once again to another episode of Nake Fews, the show where we muse the news and our views for all of yous.
I hope you're all doing really well today. And I hope that you're all giving each other a lot of love and affection that this world so badly needs.
I've got my story.
Okay, great.
Right,
Fantastic.
okay.
See you next week.
Police search for man who licked doorbell for 3 hours. He's looking at the camera like he knows that it's there. Like he wants to be watched.
I know you're looking at me.
Quite a good
For 3
action.
hours?
Yeah, he's really getting into it. He's done this before, it looks like.
It's like a dog eating hot chips. Just
So many questions obviously arise from this. Why?
why would anyone lick anything? He's trying to work out what it is. Maybe, like I said, like maybe he was, you know, he's deaf and he's blind, and that's how he gets around in life. Like just
Gets
goes around.
aroused in life. Fucking licking doorbells like a weirdo.
When you meet someone, you're looking at them, you're hearing what they're saying, you even feel them, you
Yeah.
shake their hands, and very rare occasion, like a very rare occasion, you just go up and lick them every now and then when you first meet them. Hi, I'm here for the meeting. How you doing? Yeah, good. Oh, it's lovely to meet you. So, did you bring the proposal? I certainly did.
There's a huge problem when the person that you're meeting, your potential boss in this job interview scenario, also does the licking technique, and you're like, nice to meet you, both of you together, like Lady and the Tramp.
It's 2019, mate. You got to get with the times.
I want to hear your bell. Should we take this to the bedroom? Well, you could have at least knocked.
The only reason why I would agree with you that he's a little bit unhinged
Right.
is because he did the licking for 3 hours.
3 hours! We
3
haven't
hours.
even spoken
3
about
hours,
that. I
yeah.
think he really enjoyed the fact that he knew there was like a family sleeping in this house and he was just gently licking the doorbell for 3 hours. Imagine, when was the last time you did anything for 3 hours that wasn't sleeping?
Lord of the Rings. That's a lot of licking.
Josh, have you got a story? Pour moi.
This story in Japan was about a man who fell asleep in a shopping centre on a massage chair.
If you're going to fall asleep, you know, any way, in a shopping centre, then on a massage chair is probably the most likely place.
You know, we wouldn't fall. They frown upon it if you fall asleep in, you know, dreams on one of those mattresses. But there are
Easy to do.
Yeah.
Easy to do.
They look delightful. They've got a little button
They're
there.
all asleep. All 6 of those blokes are just totally out. How often in your life are you going to be in a shopping centre when there's no one else there? Take advantage of the situation. If everything's shut, you can't get anywhere, fair enough. But like, if everywhere's open, or if you can, I don't know, you know, help yourself to any food you want. If you were that way inclined, you could empty a few tills.
I don't think
Yes.
any of our viewers, including us,
Yeah.
are thieves, or that would even cross our minds. Unfortunately,
Yeah.
all of the shops within this shopping centre were actually shut.
Closed for
They were
business.
closed. He couldn't even get out of the shopping centre in the first place because he was locked in. So he couldn't even get any food like you would do. He couldn't even, lay down in a lovely bed. He couldn't even...
He could sit in a massage chair and gently fall asleep. What was his tweet?
His tweet...
Roughly translated.
Roughly translated, "Oh man, I'm locked in."
See, that is really dramatic, and I love how we went with it. It wasn't like practical, like, I'm locked in a shopping centre, anyone nearby, can you please like alert the police and get me out? Oh man, I'm locked in. It's like the tagline for a film or something.
I'm locked in.
One man.
One
No one
shopping
else.
centre.
Yeah. Probably wouldn't be the best movie. Home Alone, they already made it. Always use shopping centre massage chairs responsibly. Treat them as you would expect to be treated yourself.
Treat them as you would...
Fall asleep on them. You're going to like this, actually.
Oh yeah?
Woman's bizarre illness means she can't hear men's voices. A woman has been diagnosed with a bizarre medical condition which she claims leaves her deaf to the voices of men. Since she heard a ringing in her ears, she went to bed because she thought that might help, and when she woke up, she turned around to her partner and she realised that she couldn't hear a single word he was saying. So my question is, how much do you hate your partner that you'll go to the lengths to say that you just can't hear men's voices as an elaborate lie just to, like, well, let's face it, not put up with their crap? Is she going to need like a translator, a man's later?
Sick of men. All they do is moan and whinge. So instead of just going, "Oh, I've got this problem, I've got this issue. What's the issue? I can't hear one person's voice. That's my issue." They're going, "I can't hear half of the world's population." Just bear in mind that she might not be able to hear you. But try this little experiment. Try whistling. See if you can hear that.
Like a dog?
Maybe even always carry around some kind of recorder which has a female voice on. Or, even better, all these smartphones have like translators.
Female voice?
Female voices.
That's such a good idea.
Yeah.
You look lovely this evening. Oh yeah. Okay, maybe this will help.
You look lovely this evening.
Oh, thank you.
I know that you can't hear male voices, but I still wanted to sing you my favourite song.
Okay. Here goes.
Everybody's looking for that something, one thing that makes it all complete. You find it in the strangest places, places you never knew it could be. Some find it in the face of their children, some find it in their lover's eyes. Who can deny the joy it brings, when you found that special thing, you're flying without wings.
How far would you push it? You'd be like, also, I can understand cats. I can just understand every word they're saying. Can't understand men though.
Meow meow. Yeah, he thinks you're a dick. Yeah, sorry. This, literally sounds like a really rubbish comedy love story.
What, me and you?
Yeah. Yeah. But this is the kind of thing that we can't judge because, we don't know if it is true. And if it is true and you are listening, then... So I hope that advice was useful to you, personally, for you.
The meaning of life.
Yeah. All of you other viewers, you're welcome. Thank you very much for watching this week's Nake Fews. Please like and subscribe. Hey, and leave a comment down below. Let us know what story you want to hear next week. Thank you very much. See you then.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, see, goals. I like to get the goals. I like to get the girls. I like to go around the world. Business class, mind you. That is a very good job. Yes, 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 yes.